Welcome. In front of me is a VODAFONE Smart for Macs, and today I will show you how to insert a SIM card and also a memory card. So as you can see, I have both right here. And when you get the device and you flip it back, you have this little sticker on there, and it shows you how the SIM card should go in and the memory card. So with the little thing basically facing back, this board, and as well goes for the SIM card or memory card I meant, so like so. And to open these trays, kind of want to get it in light. You have a little bump right at the edge of each one of those little flaps right here. This one on each side. This one is on the bottom for the SIM card, and the memory card, it's on the top. And what you want to do is just simply kind of place your nail somewhere like right before and just press it down, and it should pop up like you see right here. They can demonstrate it also better here. Let's see, like this. Now it might take a little bit more force sometimes, it just depends, but you want to pop it out like so, and then carefully just kind of lift it up so it doesn't like break. Like you see right now, it's kind of bending. Okay, there we go. Okay, so once that's ready, we can take the SIM card, and once again, if this is the front of the screen, so the SIM card will go this way, and I can actually flip it again so you get a better idea on the image right here. It goes like this, and then also using your nail, you want to slide it all the way until you hear a click. So I will put it the microphone so you can actually hear what I mean. So not sure if that was actually hearable, but there will be a distinguishable click, and after it, the card won't come out, because for instance, if it doesn't go all the way in before the click, it will just be ejected back out. So make sure it's all the way in there, like so. And the memory card basically has the same thing. So you basically take it in there, and also using the nail, just put it in there. And I'm not gonna be closing those flaps, but you should. As you can see, there is the reception bar, just not finding any reception. And the memory card, let's see the memory card. As you can see, there is the SD card being read, and also the internal storage. So that is basically how you insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.